So I want to talk about what I like to call a clean slate morning. And what a clean slate morning is this morning routine that I like to have that helps me clear my head and get me ready to have the most productive day I possibly can. And I want to break it down for you in 3 easy steps. So let's get into it. The very first step for me for having a clean slate morning is I like to make my bed. Now this is a simple one and you probably are already doing this. And if you're not, this is a good way to start building momentum for productivity as well as motivation for yourself. So what this does is once you make your bed, you know that after that you have done the first task of the day, which means you're ready to tackle the next task and then the next task. And you're starting off the day right by building momentum by making your bed. So by making your bed, you're setting yourself up to have a successful and productive day. Number 2, review your goals. What's important is that you review your goals at the very beginning of your day, because when you're consistently looking at what your long-term goals as well as what your goals are for the day, you're able to better focus as to what you actually need to get done, and you have a kind of bigger picture vision as to what you're trying to accomplish and why you need to accomplish what you need to accomplish. And my final tip for having the clean slate morning is you want to do something for yourself. When I oftentimes see these YouTube videos where people are talking about what their morning routines look like, they have a step where it's for them, meaning they do something for themselves, whether that's working out, meditating, drinking a cup of coffee or tea, reading a book, whatever that looks like for you. You need to make sure you do something that makes you feel good in the morning, because once you've started off your day by making your bed and reviewing your goals, you need to start by doing something for you, because you need to remember that you're important and your mental health is important. And by working out, reading a book, drinking tea, whatever it is, it's helping you set yourself up to have a successful day. And I don't see them talking about what else that could alternatively look like. For me, before, what it looked like was I'd pick up a Call of Duty game, or I'd read a book, or I'd go out for a walk. And it can be anything. It just needs to be something that makes you feel good. So once you're ready to start your workday, you're already in the mindset of, you know what your goals are, you did something to make you smile, as well as you know that if everything else goes wrong, you have a comfy made bed to go back to. So these are the 3 tips and 3 different things you need to do to start off your days with a clean slate.